fast on a short read? That's a really good question. There are a lot of different techniques. I know a few, but my favorite was the European Siren. Taught to me by Sean Stahl, pioneered by Tim Grounds. What you're doing is the reference word is oh wee oh wee oh wee oh wee oh. After that, you need to get fast. Now, I know that doesn't really sound like a goose, but once you add some voice inflection, keep practicing with it and go with it, and eventually you'll end up with something like this. And that, folks, is what I like to do the year to get fast on a short read. Good luck to you in this upcoming season. Hope this tip helps you.